welcome back to another channel, and today we are making a vlog about the flowers. And today is a beautiful day because the sky is out, and so we're checking out all these flowers around. So this flower
Lupins.
is called the lupins. As you can see, some of them didn't come out, but I think they did.
Those are peonies.
These are peonies. We have some more of them because we have more of these flowers.
What color are they?
We have purple, pink, and white.
Do you know what do they call all of these flowers right here?
No.
They are called tutti frutti. Tutti frutti.
Tutti frutti?
Is there anything you remember about tutti frutti?
I remember the candy
Yes.
flavor.
Exactly, because they look like a candy flavor. They are very colorful, so they are called tutti frutti. And these ones, do you know what do they call?
No.
These are roses. What color are they?
These ones?
Yeah, those are roses. Lime rose.
These are pink roses.
And this one right here, it is a mix of yellow and red, but it's not coming out yet. And how
Here
about
are
this
some red roses.
Yeah, these red roses, they're also a climb rose like these pink ones. Aren't they beautiful?
Yeah.
So do you think the flowers are happy?
I think so.
And this one, these white ones, do you know what do they call?
No.
They are baby's breath.
What are baby's breath?
Yeah, because they are look like a little tiny clouds like. So aren't they nice?
Yeah.
And
They
this one,
remind me of daisies.
yes. They look like daisy too, but they are smaller. Okay, so how about this one right here? This one it was a peony. It was a pink one, but it is already
dried up.
okay. Do you know what are these ones here?
No.
These ones are lilies. I think they are tiger lilies. And do you know what are these?
No.
These are dahlias. They remember the red flower we have there, the big red flower like a sunflower before? These
Yeah.
are the ones. And these are yellow lilies right here. And the strawberries, can you check them if they have fruits in there?
Okay.
Your adding is calling, we have to go.
I could see some strawberries. I could see a small one, a hand-shaped one. They're all green right now, and they're all in here.
Come down here.
They're all in here.
Are there fruits already?
There's some strawberries.
They're not ripe yet.
Yeah, not ripe.
Are they budding still? Are they still budding?
This one is so small. Some of them are big, but they're not ripe yet.
Hold on, your sister is calling. And who is that girl right there calling?
Diamond.
Okay, come up.
Wait, Mom, you forgot to tell them what these are.
It's okay. What are these? You know what are these?
No.
These are licorice right here.
And there's a honeybee.
Yeah, they're getting the nectars. See, the licorice, they are herbals. They are herbal wilds. The roots, they take them for a medicinal purposes.
Hi, honeybee.
Where it is?
Oh, it's over here. Now it's over here.
Where did it go?
Oh, here.
Hi, honeybee. Are you taking the nectars? Do you know what does it do?
It collects pollen
And then?
and brings it back to its hive to make honey.
Yes. And can you see all of this? Look.
Hmm?
These fruits right here, they're like peas.
So they're kind of like peas.
Because these flowers, the lupin flowers, they are pea family.
They kind of look like peas.
Yeah, they belong to a
Wait.
pea family.
Aren't peas a vegetable?
Not all peas are vegetables. There are kind of some of them are flowers, some of them are trees. Where are you going? Are you going to play a hockey? Okay, say bye.
Bye, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one. Bye.